With our drywall solution, which includes our drywall price book, pre-built formulas, and assemblies, you'll be estimating faster and with more accuracy almost immediately. We'll run through just briefly how it works. First, click on the bid menu, the second choice, select items by assembly. The assembly list comes up. You can pick from the few we have here, or you can build more. Right now we're highlighted on this one here, the third one down. You'll see that it is a type A wall, 3 5/8, 25 gauge, 16 inch, on center, 10 foot high. We're going to click on transferred, then we're going to click on answer questions and supply the questions. We've put in a 10% waste factor, 100 foot linear foot of wall, 10 foot high, 16 inch on center. Next we'll click the use button. After calculation, the values are in the worksheet below. We're going to click on Done to move these items to the bid. You'll see the items in the bid now with all the quantities complete. We're going to do one more wall type and then do a report. So we click on Bid, select items by assembly. This time we'll click on this wall type here, which is a 6-inch wall. Transfer the items down. Answer questions, basically do the same thing we did before. This time we're going to have 0 waste factor, and we're going to make it 75 linear feet of wall, and keep the wall height 10 foot since this is the assembly we're using. Press the use button or the F8 key, and click on Done, and we'll have the second assembly in the bid. Before we run the report, we're going to add some markups to the bid. And you can see we have a material amount. We can add tax to it, for instance 6%. And we have a labor amount down here. If we wish, we could put it in burden rates. Let's just put in 35%. And you go down and add some profit or overhead and profit. Of course, you put whatever figures you want in here. You can also do what ifs. You'll notice that at the bottom of the screen we have the bid total, the overhead and profit added on, and the total sale price. We're going to close this and go to reports. Go down to bid reports. Find the report you want, which is order quantity by assembly, and click on the preview. When the preview comes up, we're going to zoom in. You'll have each one of the wall types. This wall type right here, all the items for the wall type. Also, you'll have order quantities. You can see the number of pieces, square footages, number of hours, and the total for this wall type. In this particular case, it's $5,551. We can look at the second wall type, which is right here, and then we'll have a subtotal for that wall type. And of course all of the hours and the number of pieces to order to produce the job. Go to the end of the report, and we have the subtotal. These are both wall types, our overhead, profit, grand total, and to the left here we actually have the total hours for the job. This is just one of many reports available.